Welcome to our lesson on sets. Let's explore a past question from the SSSCE in 1999. Set A consists of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Set B includes the numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The universal set mu contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, let's list the elements of a prime intersect B. Next, we will find the elements of the complement of a prime intersect B. First, let's understand the meaning of a complement. A prime includes all elements in the universal set that are not in A. We'll represent the universal set using number chips. Here are the numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Next, let's highlight the elements that are in set A. These elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So, it contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Now, let's find the prime elements. We'll look at the universal set again. The prime numbers in this set are 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, let's write down the elements of a prime. A prime consists of the numbers 9, 12, 18, and 36. Next, we will explore the meaning of intersection. A prime intersect B includes the elements that are common to both a prime and B. Let's show the elements of a prime. A prime is made up of the numbers 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now, let's display the elements of set B. Set B consists of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Next, we will highlight the common elements between a prime and B. A prime includes 9, 12, 18, and 36. Set B contains 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The common elements are 9 and 18. So, a prime intersect B gives us the elements 9 and 18. If you're finding this helpful, consider subscribing for more math solutions. Let's move on to part 2. Now, we need to find the complement of a prime intersect B. We'll use the result we found in part 1. A prime intersect B is 9 and 18. Let's revisit the meaning of complement. The complement of a prime intersect B consists of elements in the universal set that are not in 9 and 18. Next, we will highlight the elements we need to remove. Here are the numbers in the universal set again. The elements to remove are 9 and 18. Now, let's highlight the remaining elements. We'll look at the universal set once more. The remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 36. Thus, the complement of a prime intersect B consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 36. The final answer for a prime intersect B is 9 and 18. The final answer for the complement of a prime intersect B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 36. Don't forget to subscribe for more math content.